trying to wrap presents, and it's difficult with cats. They like paper, especially cats who really like paper. Freyja. That's, oh yeah, thank you. You're so kind. And yeah, there's some paper to eat over there. Good. Oh, see, she really goes for it. She just likes to eat. So I've been so kind of sick these days. Yesterday I had a fever, and now I'm feeling a little bit better because the fever passed, but my nose is all blocked up, and being sick sucks. But anyways, if you're ever in Europe and you find yourself sick, in particular if you're ever in Italy and you find yourself sick, and you can get some things to help you feel better. If you go to a tabacceria, which is like a convenience store, it's these little like convenience store places that sell magazines and things, like a newspaper place. But you can find Fisherman's Friend. So I've been using these. I've been taking these, and these like work really good. And like they have hauls as well, but they don't have the hauls. I haven't found the hauls with the liquid centers and stuff. They just have like kind of the normal hauls. So Fisherman's Friend works better. If you go to a pharmacy, you can get, and this is what I love to use, it's called Flumichill. And this kind of like clears up your sinuses. And so this is really good. You can it's like a powder one. And it comes like this, and you just break it and mix it with water, and then you can mix it with hot water or cold water, it doesn't matter, but this works so good. I guess it's comparable to NyQuil, but I think this is more medicine inside. I don't know exactly, but yeah, this is like the best thing, like the thing that I always need to have when I'm sick, in Italy anyway. Because, like, you know, like Dimetap or those kind of medicines, like for your throat, like cough syrup, but it also works for like clearing up your sinuses and stuff. They don't have that here. So, and like I tried a cough syrup, like I bought one from the pharmacy, and it was just tasted like sugar, and it was just tasted like a syrup. It didn't have any like mint or anything. It didn't clear up my sinuses, and so there was no point in buying that. It was just a waste of money. Instead, this one works. So get this one. Fisherman's Friend. I'm taking a lot of vitamin C. This is the brand and the one that I use. Ester C. Yeah, this one is so good. And it has, it's actually a UK company, I think, but Solgar, because it says vitamin and herb UK. Anyway, so this is 301 little capsule thing is 360 milligrams of vitamin C, and I take, when I'm sick, I take 2 of these, plus we bought a case of oranges from Metro, so that's like 24 oranges or more, I don't know. I have a lot of oranges, so just eat oranges, take vitamin C, take Flumichill, Fisherman's Friends. Now my throat is better. It's still a little bit sore, but it was really sore. And so I bought the Borolina, I don't know, Borolina, Borolina, so cute. For sore throat. I've tried a few of these like throat spray things, and it's like this, and you go, you know, that's what you do. And 2 or 3 sprays in the throat. And this is like the one, it has flubiprofen inside it, and that's, I guess, what works, the active thing in it. But this is the best one out of all the throat sprays that I've tried. This is the one that I like. Yeah. Get this one. And then they have the Benactive throat candies. So, yeah, this is also really nice. And this has flurbiprofen in it as well. Whatever that is. I'm not a doctor. I just know that these are the things that you can find in Italy that work, because there's a lot of things like the medicines here that you can buy without going to the doctor. There aren't that many and they're very weak, so these are the ones that kind of work for me and that I would recommend to other foreigners who come here and get sick, or if you're traveling and you get sick here. There are things that you can ask the pharmacy from. The pharmacies here are weird because you can't actually like walk into the pharmacy and choose the medicines, you know, like, and there's no Tylenol here. Like, that's what I used to take in Canada, Tylenol for everything. But yeah, they don't have that brand here. So, you know, what are you gonna do? You have to, if you want something, you have to actually ask, like talk to the pharmacist, and then you have to tell them what you want, because they're going to ask you what you want. And if you don't speak Italian, you're in trouble. So, yeah. Flumasil, Benactive Gola, Borocilina, Fisherman's Friends. I actually didn't find it in the pharmacy. I found it in the tabaccaria. So go to the tabaccaria and you can get in the pharmacy the vitamin C tablets. This is the best one, my favorite one. My favorite one. But of course there are other brands and things, but this is like the strongest, I think. This is a very strong vitamin C. Yeah, so hopefully this is helpful. And it sucks that I'm sick because, okay, yeah, Christmas is coming, but also it's my 5-year wedding anniversary. And so we're going to go to dinner, and I'm not missing that. I'm going to dinner with my husband, even if I'm sick. And luckily I don't have a fever or anything now, so I am a little bit better. So yeah, I can do that. Yay! Wish me luck. Oh my god, why am I sick? Why? Well, I know why. It's because I'm a teacher. I'm around a lot of kids who are sick, and you know, while I was teaching, luckily I didn't get sick, so I didn't have to take any sick days. But now that school's over, I guess I just relaxed and then I allowed the viruses or bacteria, whatever, to infect me, because I was kind of holding them at bay, because I was like, no, I gotta work, I still have school. And now, you know, it's you know what I mean, right? You know. So yeah, and Freyja's fine, but my house is a mess. Like, you don't understand. When I'm sick, Enrico works a lot, you know. So usually I'm the one who cleans and stuff, and now it's just a mess. I need to vacuum, I need to take out the garbage. Like, it's Freyja. Hey Freyja, there's the Freyja. She's good. She's always good. She never has any stress or any problems. I would love it if she would help clean up a bit, but she's a cat, so. Actually, there's another thing. If you really, really need like a nasal spray, TMI. I don't like nasal sprays, and I haven't used it this time, but we have some of this. This is the one that my doctor told me to use last time that I was sick. This time I didn't really need to use it. I hate nasal sprays. I don't like to use them. So, if you have to, that is one brand that they have here. I don't really like it. I don't really like it. So I can't recommend to you a good nasal spray, but I can recommend to you other good things like Flumatil. This one is really good. And these things. These are really, really good. Get these! Okay. that's what I have to say.
Oh shit. Sorry for saying a bad word. I'm trying to get ready to go to dinner, and yeah. Yeah. Hey, Freyja.